Modern started in the mid-70s. We reincorporated in 1986, and then we found an opportunity to start our own window factory. We started slowly, as we do with things, and here we are. My name's Dan Aegis. Been working for Modern for 32 years.
My name is Gary Dietrich, and I've been with the company 18 years.
My name's Dave Eliason. I have been with Modern for over 28 years now.
My name is Pranita Narayan, and I've been working at Modern for 12 years.
My name is Mike. I've worked at Modern for 10 and a half years.
My name is James Forsyth. I've been with Modern Windows for about 10 years.
My name is Megan Kimball, and I've been at Modern almost 2 years.
I'm Sarah McCormack. I've been here for 3 years.
Yeah, awesome, right? In 2 minutes, there's going to be another one.
We take a lot of pride in who we are and what we've built.
We service everything that we sell. We're a local company, so even though we sell on Vancouver Island and the Sunshine Coast, we can still service the products. If there's a warranty issues, we're close by and we can deal with it right away.
We install the best product that we can get our hands on. We manufacture our own windows, so we control that. But any product that we need to buy, we try to buy the very best product that we can.
Modern success is based on our commitment to service. We offer a wide variety of products. We know that's not all about just supplying the product. It's everything behind it, from our timeliness on doing your estimate to our scheduling and our after product service.
The product itself is superior to other products that are available on the market. For example, the brass rollers on our sliding vents, they're not plastic. Again, the people that build them, there's pride in the work, so when that window comes out of the factory, you know it's done right.
One of the benefits of offering so many products is to really help our customers do a one-stop shop.
You can come to us, we can supply your windows, your railings, your gutters.
Sunrooms, skylights.
We can install vinyl decking on your house. We can build a deck for you if you like. Patio covers, retractable awnings, fixed awnings, sunrooms, interior, exterior doors.
Insulation.
And garage doors.
Well, our windows are built on the West Coast for the West Coast. So when we design the windows, and the parts that we choose for our windows are specific for our region. We use stainless steel hardware wherever we can. Our glass is high efficiency, low E glass, and we use argon gas within the sealed unit for higher energy efficiency.
I think one of the things that people a lot of times don't realize is that we make all of our vinyl and aluminum windows here in Powell River.
We make them here. And even with other window manufacturers, we talk to them and they say, so where do you get your glass units from? So we make our own. You guys are still making your own glass units? I said, yeah, it's all part of our quality control. We're in charge of our glass units, we're in charge of our frames. It's all made here.